In today's challenge, we will dive into text analysis using a powerful new Excel function, REGEXREPLACE. Our task is to count uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters in each row of our dataset. To count different types of characters, we first need to define regular expression patterns for each category, from capital A to capital Z. This expression selects everything except uppercase letters. The caret or circumflex symbol inside square brackets means not. The second one selects everything except lowercase letters. This one selects everything except numbers. And the last one, from capital A to capital Z, from A to Z and from 0 to 9, this selects all letters and numbers, leaving only special characters. By using these patterns, we can extract only the specific characters we need. Now that we understand the patterns, let's apply them using the REGEXREPLACE function. The syntax is following. First, we select the range of text data we are analyzing. Then the regex patterns we are applying. And the third argument will be omitted, because we want to replace unwanted characters with nothing, essentially deleting them. This removes everything except the characters that match the pattern specified in our range. Now that we have extracted the desired characters, we just need to count them using the len function. The len function counts the number of characters remaining after we filter out everything else. This gives us the exact count of each character type for every row in our dataset. But if you want to do everything in one step, you can use an array formula. Instead of writing separate formulas, you can nest the patterns inside an array like this. This returns an array of 4 numbers. Each represented the count of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Regex is a powerful text processing technique used in programming, data analysis and now in Excel. It allows us to identify and manipulate specific text patterns inside a string. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to see more Regex tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tricks. See you next time.